ए वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आप सबको यहाँ आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। यू आर ऑल अवेयर दैट पंजाब नेशनल बैंक इज ए 123-year-old institution which has seen various ups and downs in the past and have come out with the flying colors. That's why we are the second largest lender of the country. आपको मालूम है पंजाब नेशनल बैंक 123 वर्ष पुराना बैंक है, जिसकी जन्म स्वदेशी आंदोलन के दौरान लाला लाजपत राय स्वतंत्रता सेनानी के द्वारा किया गया था। और पिछले 123 वर्षों में हम कई उतार चढ़ाव देख चुके हैं, जिसके अंदर पार्टीशन के समय आने वाली समस्याओं को भी बैंक ने बखूबी निपटा था। और आज हम दूसरे सबसे बड़े राष्ट्रीयकृत बैंक के रूप में यहाँ पर उपस्थित हैं। मीडिया में आप लोगों को मालूम है कि रिसेंट इंसिडेंट्स जो फ्रॉड है, इसके बारे में काफी चर्चाएं हो रही हैं। हम इस बारे में आपसे एक सहयोग चाहते हैं। आपको मालूम है कि जो बैंक इस समय अपनी पूरी क्षमता से गलत काम करने वाले लोगों को पे एक्शन लेने के लिए काम कर रहा है। ये जो फ्रॉड 2011 में शुरू हुआ था, इसको सबसे पहले हमारे ही बैंक ने डिटेक्ट करके और रेगुलेटरी एजेंसीज को, लॉ एनफोर्समेंट एजेंसीज को बताया। पीएनबी अपनी क्लीन बैंकिंग के लिए कमिटेड है। शायद इसीलिए वी आर द फर्स्ट वन टू डिटेक्ट एंड रिपोर्ट दिस टू द वेरियस लॉ एनफोर्समेंट एजेंसीज। जैसे ही हमें इस घटना का पता चला, हमने उसकी जांच करी। वी हैव इन्वेस्टिगेटेड इट एंड even on the availability of the first available such incidents where we could verify these facts, we have gone to the law enforcement agencies to book the culprits and take strong legal action. You are fully aware that we have kept all the members informed about the developments. All the member banking sector, जो भी हमारे lenders हैं, हमने उन सबको इसमें इन्फॉर्म करके रखा है, उनको एडवाइजरी भी दी है। सबसे पहले हमने ही इसको डिस्क्लोजर नॉर्म्स के अंदर सेबी को भी बताया है। तो ये सब बातें हमारी क्लीन बैंकिंग का जो एजेंडा है, जो भारत सरकार ने हमें एक दायित्व सौंपा है, रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंड रिस्पॉन्सिव बैंकिंग, उसके अंतर्गत हम कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं। और हम देख रहे हैं कि जहां पर भी कोई ऐसी चीज हमारे सामने आती है, उसको हम बहुत स्ट्रांगली एक्शन उसके ऊपर लेके, चाहे वो कस्टमर हो, चाहे हमारा स्टाफ हो, इस सिस्टम को हम ठीक करेंगे। जहां तक बैंक का प्रश्न है, हमारे बैंक के पास आकार भी है और क्षमताएं भी हैं इस समस्या से निपटने की। द बैंक हैज द कैपेबिलिटीज एंड द कैपेसिटीज टू कम आउट दिस सिचुएशन। आपने आज के मीडिया कवरेज में देखा होगा कि हमारे द्वारा जो एफआईआर लॉन्च की गई हैं और जो कंप्लेंट लॉन्च की गई हैं डिफरेंट एजेंसीज को, उसके अंतर्गत आज भी जो इन्वॉल्व ग्रुप्स हैं उनके एस्टेब्लिशमेंट पे रेड की कार्रवाई की गई है। डॉक्यूमेंट्स को, रिकॉर्ड्स को सीज किया जा रहा है और बैंकों के फाइनेंशियल इंटरेस्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है। एक बात में सहयोग आप सबसे बहुत ज्यादा चाहूंगा। आपको भी लग रहा होगा कि हमने शायद मीडिया के सामने आने में देर क्यों करी। हम नहीं चाहते कि ये बहुत सेंसिटिव इशू है और हम ज्यादा बात इस बारे में कह के जो डिफरेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं, उनकी जो सिविल और क्रिमिनल लायबिलिटीज हैं, उसको इफेक्ट करें और हम इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसीज के कार्य में बाधा बने। इसलिए हम आप सबसे ये रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे कि प्लीज गिव अस सम ब्रीदिंग टाइम, कि हम जो एक्शन प्लान हमने कर रखा है डिफरेंट एजेंसीज के माध्यम से कल्प्रिट्स को बुक्स में लाने का, बैंकों के फाइनेंशियल इंटरेस्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करने का, वो काम हम बखूबी कर सकें। एक चीज मैं आपको और बताना चाहूंगा कि हमारे बैंक ने सिर्फ कस्टमर पे ही शिकायत नहीं करी है, जो हमारा स्टाफ भी इसके अंदर इन्वॉल्व है, जो स्टाफ मेंबर मिस्टर शेट्टी और जो दूसरे क्लर्क उसमें इन्वॉल्व थे, दोनों को भी हमने क्रिमिनल कंप्लेंट का पार्ट बनाया है। और जिनमें सुपरवाइजरी लैप्सेस में कमी रखी है उन स्टाफ पे भी हमने काफी एक्शंस लिए हैं। कुछ एक को हमने सस्पेंड कर दिया है और बाकी हमारी जांच जारी है। ये बात मैं आपको दोबारा से बड़े विश्वास के साथ कहना चाहूंगा कि हम लोग किसी भी गलत काम को बढ़ावा नहीं देंगे, और ये बात इससे भी सिद्ध होती है कि हमने इस चीज को सरफेस पे लेके आए। अगर कोई कैंसर है तो उसको डिटेक्ट करके दूर किया जाए। 2011 से जो बीमारी चल रही थी उसके कैंसर की सर्जरी के रूप में हमने इसे ठीक किया है। और पीएनबी इज कॉन्फिडेंट एंड कमिटेड फॉर क्लीन बैंकिंग। वी विल कम आउट with the present situation. We are already in discussion with all the stakeholders, including the other banks who are a party to it. We will resolve it. We will honor all our bona fide commitments. हम अपने सभी bona fide commitments का honor करेंगे और हमारे जितने भी बैंकर्स हैं और साथी हैं, जो स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं, उनके साथ जो जो हमारे कमिटमेंट्स हैं, that we will be able to honor. Only thing we would like the enforcement agencies to do their job, to investigate the matter and come out with the results, जिससे हम आपस में डिसाइड कर सकें कि yes, what should be the next course of action. मैं यहाँ पर उपस्थित हमारे मीडिया के सभी साथियों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दे रहा हूँ, जिन्होंने हमारे शॉर्ट नोटिस पे यहाँ आकर हमें ये मौका दिया, हमें अपनी बात कहने का, कि हम अपनी पोजीशन को क्लैरिफाई कर सकें। प्लीज कन्वे दिस मैसेज टू ऑल द स्टेक होल्डर्स दैट PNB is pursuing clean banking, responsive banking, and we will not shirk in our responsibility in putting all the customers or our staff to the task if we found any fraudulent or unethical practices are being performed in the bank.
Sir, Ruchi Bhatia, sir, the RBI has said that PNB should pay the entire 11,300 crore rupees to counterparty lenders. What is the decision that PNB has taken on this matter, sir?
जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, ये सब मैटर अंडर इन्वेस्टिगेशन है. We will see whatever is our responsibility and whatever regulator say, we'll definitely comply.
Sir, about this, you said, I'm sorry for not informing earlier, and you believe in clean banking. When did PNB come to know about this fraud? When did you detect it? And could you give us the timeline of when you went to the CBI, ED, and other enforcement agencies, law enforcement agencies? Please come clean on this, because you're talking committing to your loyalties. Please come clean on this.
Please, I will respond. Whatever I can respond, I will definitely respond. So, we detected in the 3rd week of January, and we promptly investigated in the 3-4 days, and we have gone to the CBI on 29th.
On 29th of January?
29th of January. And the FI was booked on 30th.
Sir, there is a group.
Have you investigated what are the senior officers in this particular case?
Sir, can you make it clear for the lay person as to what is the exact nature of misconduct? Are only foreign branches of Indian banks involved in it, or are there even foreign lenders involved in it? What is the nature of inappropriate messaging that happened out of your Mumbai branch? Where is the misconduct?
The misconduct I have already informed that 2 of our employees, in connivance with the few of the group companies of the 2 group, have undertaken some unauthorized and fraudulent transactions. That is what is we have already reported to the, and rest of the details we can give you only after the investigation is complete.
But are foreign lenders involved in it, or is it only foreign branches of Indian banks involved in it?
It's mainly foreign branches of Indian Bank, barring 1 case.
Will you also take legal recourse, sir, in this matter?
This is we have already initiated the process. We have conducted the consortium meetings because both the groups are dealing with a large number of banks. We have already informed the lenders during the consortium meetings. They are seized with the situation. We are working on the modalities. It will be too mature to premature you what are the legal actions we are going to take, but we are hands on it.
Have you looked into paying back the amount? He is saying that he's going to be paying back the amount as far as SEBI has asked you all to take action. What is the action that you are taking, and what have you informed SEBI as to what action you've taken so far?
I think information to SEBI was given in time. Another issue, involvement. I think you all will agree. You can't say anybody unless and until the investigation process is complete. But yes, we will not spare anybody. May it be junior or may it be senior, we will take them to the toss.
आपका ये कहा जाए कि नॉस्टो अकाउंट्स की बात हो रही है या आपका स्विफ्ट नेटवर्क की बात हो रही है, तो सारे में फेक पाया गया, एलओयू भी फेक पाया गया, तो ऐसे में किस तरह से आप क्लीन बैंकिंग की बात कर रहे हैं? और दूसरी बात, 800 करोड़ रुपया विजय माल्या का भी बकाया, तो ये पहले से ही इस तरह की चीजें चल रही, फिर आप लोग पहले सजग क्यों नहीं हुए?
मैं आपको दो बात कहना चाहूंगा। एक बात जो आपने प्रश्न किया है कि स्विफ्ट नेटवर्क के बारे में, जब कोई एम्प्लॉय अगर हमारा फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन करता है और कोई गलती करता है और वो सिस्टम जो है वो हमारे जो सीबीएस सिस्टम के अंदर उसको एंटर नहीं करता है, तो उस तरह से वो गलती उसने फ्रॉडलेंट एक्टिविटी करी है और इसीलिए उसका नाम सीबीआई में दिया भी गया है. सो वी हैव गॉन फॉर दैट पर्पज ओनली. Clean banking, what you are saying, what we mean is, if any unethical thing or any fraudulent activity made by staff, made by your customer, it comes to our notice, we will not leave anything to be book them for pursuing this agenda.
So, one by one.
Is Modi given him guidance that he is ready to pay back the money?
Well, they have not come out with any concrete plan to repay so far, but they are coming out with some vague offers which are under examination.
Sir, is there any issue with the Pelican system? Since what happened was that the transaction was recorded in the Swift messaging, but it didn't reflect in the CBS. So there is no integration between the two systems. So are you going to do anything to plug that loophole? Because only 2 branch officers, were involved in this whole.
We are examining all the systems suspected. That is also under investigation. That what are the system problems? In case there are any system issues, we are going to correct it. No, Finacle, the person has not entered into the system. There is no problem with the Finacle. That much
Will the bank take the entire liability?
Please one by one.
Sir, since the LOU was given by Punjab National Bank, will the entire liability also be of Punjab National Bank, or other banks will have to share this liability because it was a fraud LOU?
So that is one thing I told you in the beginning. We are already in discussion with all the lenders. It will be decided based on the investigation. If the entire onus is ours, we will hold the responsibility. We are not going back from it. But nobody else can be a beneficiary of it also.
So can the mark be higher than the
let me tell you one thing very categorically. When this came to our light in the 3rd week of it, we have scanned all our branches. We have deputed our teams from inspection and audit department, and we have not been reported any such similar incidents in any other branch. This is a standalone incident in one of our branches.
Sir, how many
मैनेजर बैंक के अधिकारी ही इशू करते हैं, उसमें और लोगों का भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है.
I think name has already been given to you.
Yes, I think name has already been given. Whom we found are responsible. We have already booked them in the FIR, and rest of the things are under investigation. Please do not link up the two issues. They are altogether different.
इतनी इंक्वायरी करते हैं, इतना बड़ा मामला है और आपको इतना वक्त लग गया आपको ये मामला.
Will you now be required to make entire 11,000?
सामने आ गए हो.
पीछे चल रहा है.
That you now be required to make the entire 11,500 crore as provision in your accounts as per RBI norms, because RBI norm says once a fraud is detected, the entire 100% has to be provided for.
You are perfectly right, and I think you are fully aware of it, that right now this matter is under examination. We don't have any funded exposure as of now, but whatsoever is our liability that is worked out in the process of investigation, we will take it forward.
Sir, how many fake LOUs have been detected till now? Because the earlier complaint said 8, now it's more than that.
Actually, it will be difficult for me to give you any technical numbers right now. That is under investigation. Let it be fully established, and then we'll get with the technical details.
For so many years, 2007 to 2018, why did it take you 7 years to find something of 11,000 crores? Didn't you, in your balance sheet for the last 3-4 years, somewhere it should have, triggered? But shouldn't there have been a question? Don't you have your normal audits that take place? How did you allow? And you have to answer to your shareholders as well as to the people who is lending. How did you not do it for the last 7 years? This is a scam of the highest order. 11,000
and so was it detected through the asset quality review of RBI? Was it internally detected?
It was internally detected when the customer came for renewal of an LOC. We found that it has not been entered into a system. Then our new team staff sitting there, they raised an alarm that it is not in the system, and that was the starting point.
Please give the timeline.
That was on the 25th of January. That was the 25th of January.
So before that, from 2011 till 25th January, 5th of January, you all had no checks and balances within your system, from internal audit systems to show in PNB that such a fake LOUs racket was taking place.
It was.
One by one, please.
Just try to understand.
I'm understanding, sir.
It's a letter of undertaking, not funded liability. When it was not entered into CBS, it could not reflect.
So there was no internal audit within the system.
Does that mean going forward, PNB will take a forensic audit to ensure and see that such incidents do not take place in the future?
Let me tell you one thing. We conduct usually forensic audit where we have a doubt that fraud has been committed or not committed, and let it be unearthed. Now this is a thing which is already documented, which is so we may not require it, but if there is need be, we may go for it.
So, but these were employees who were still with the bank till a certain date, right? So, for 7 years. So will you conduct forensic audits on those accounts where they were involved in issuing the loan or LOU?
Yes, we are examining all these aspects.
In your letter to other banks, you have written that it was the violation of RBI's guideline of 90 days. And it was a mistake on the part of branches of other banks as well as your bank. So, since 2011, so who is responsible? Because it is the innocence of the customer that he came back. So that's how we understand.
If you call innocent customer this time, I think I have nothing to say.
तो 11,000 करोड़ से ज़्यादा के फ्रॉड मामले में पीएनबी की सफाई आई है और अब उन्होंने जांच की बात कही है और किसी को भी नहीं बख्शा जाएगा, चाहे सीनियर हो चाहे जूनियर अधिकारी हो, सबके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जाएगी।